Hello students, now we are continuing the next points of pair of straight lines, that is general second degree equation in x and y. Next point is general second degree equation in x and y. The equation of the form, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where at least one of a, h and b is not 0 is called a general second degree equation in x and y. General second degree equation in x and y. Then next point is theorem. Theorem number 5. Show that the combined equation of two lines is a general equation of the second degree. In proof, if the equation of the two lines are, we know that first line equation is, we will give a1x plus b1y plus c1, and second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Two lines. Then their combined equation is, we know that its combined equation is, that is u into v is equal to 0. Then we multiply first equation and second equation, we get therefore value of u, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 first, and into second a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. We multiply the above equation and we get the value is, multiply a1x into second bracket, then b1y into whole bracket and c1 into whole bracket. Therefore, first we multiply a1x into bracket. Therefore, we get a1x into a2x is a1x into a2x. We get a1 into a2, x into x, x square, plus a1x into b2y, that is a1 into b2, x into y, plus a1x into c2, we get a1 into c2 into x, plus second b1y into a2x, we get b1 into a2 into x into y. Then b1y into b2y, that is b1 into b2 into y square, plus b1 into b2 into y square, then plus we multiply b1y into c2, we get b1 into c2y, b1 into c2 into y. Then last constant term, that is c1, we multiply whole bracket, we get c1 into a2x, c1 a2x, that is plus c1 a2x, then c1 into b2y, that is c1 b2y, plus c1 b2 into y, plus c1 into c2. plus C1 into C2 is equal to 0. Then the common terms, first term as it is, next line, that is A1 into A2 into x square plus xy terms, two xy terms here, that is A1 into B2 into xy and B1 into A2 into xy. Xy terms constant, then A1 into B2 plus B1 into A2. A1 into B2 plus B1 into A2 into xy term constant. Then B1 into B2 into y square plus B1 into B2 into y square. Then x terms here, A1 into C2x and C1 into A2x. X term is constant here. Then we get value is plus A1 into C2 plus C1 into A2 into x. Then y term, B1 into C2y and C1 into B2y. Y term constant, and we get the term is B1 into C2 plus C1 into B2 into y. Then last plus C1 into C2, that is equal to 0. After simplifying and rearranging the terms, this becomes, after simplifying and rearranging the above terms, then we get first term as it is, that is A1 into A2 into x square. Then second term, we rearranging and write here second term as it is A1 B2 plus A2 B1 into xy, arranging A1 and A2 values. Then third term as it is B1 into B2 into y square plus A1 into C2 plus A2 into C1 into x plus B1 into C2 plus B2 into C1 into y plus last term C1 into C2 constant term is equal to 0. We get the equation. Then writing value of A1 into A2 is equal to A and value of A1 B2 plus A2 B1 is equal to 2H. Then value of B1 into B2 is equal to B and A1 into C2 plus A2 into C1 is equal to 2G and B1 into C2 plus B2 into C1 is equal to 2F and C1 into C2 is equal to C. Constant term. Then we get the above equation. A1 into A2 is equal to A. Therefore A1 into A2 is equal to A. Put value. We get A into x square. First term, that is A into x square plus second term A1 B2 plus A2 B1, we put value 2H, that is A1 B2 plus A2 B1, that is 2H into xy. Therefore we get 2H xy and value of B1 B2 is B. Therefore we get B1 B2 into y square, that is by square plus by square. Then A1 C2 plus A2 C1 is equal to 2G. Therefore A1 C2 plus A2 C1 into x, we get 2gx plus 2g into x. Then last term, that is B1 C2 plus B2 C1 is equal to 2f. Therefore B1 C2 plus B2 C1 is equal to 2f into y, 2fy plus last constant term C1 into C2 is equal to C, that is plus C is equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the second degree in x and y. General equation of the second degree in x and y. But it contains the second degree terms, that is x square, xy and y square. Second degree terms is x square, xy and y square. X square, x1, y1 that is 2 and y square that is 2 also. Then the first degree term in x and y, first degree term, and constant term in c. Then next point is angle between the lines represented by the equation. That is the above equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. That is equation represents a pair of intersecting lines. Then the joint equation of the lines through the origin and parallel to these lines is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Hence the acute angle between theta, the lines represented by, that is tan theta, is equal to 2 in bracket under root h square minus a into b divided by a plus b, that is modulation. Tan theta is equal to, in modulation, 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by a plus b. If the denominator, that is a plus b, is not equal to 0, the angle between the lines, we use the formula tan theta is equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Okay, we will stop here.